Hi everyone, this is Lucrezia, your local guide in Venice, and today I'm in town to tell you about a hidden gem situated in Dorsoduro, also known as the Art District of Venice. The church that you can see behind me is dedicated to Saint Pantaleone, or Pantalone in Venetian dialect, a doctor who was martyred during the persecutions of Diocletian in the 4th century. He was very important in the Oriental tradition, and soon he began to be worshipped in Venice too. According to the tradition, the church already existed back in the 9th century, although the first written record about it is dated 1101. However, the church that you can see at my back is much more recent than that. Over the years, in fact, the first church deteriorated a lot, and in the 17th century it was so unstable that they finally decided to rebuild it completely, to a design of the architect Francesco Comino. As you can see, the facade is pretty simple, and this is quite unusual if you consider that we are talking about a building that was rebuilt in the 17th century, and that's because the facade is actually incomplete. But anyway, the real hidden gem is not the church itself, it's something that you can find on the inside. If you walk in fact, and you look at the ceiling, you will be amazed by its beauty. There you will find a wonderful artwork by the Venetian master Giovanni Antonio Fumiani, representing the martyrdom and the apotheosis of Saint Pantalone. At first glance, it may look like a beautiful fresco, but it's actually the biggest oil painting in the world. It covers an area of 443 square meters. It's not a unique piece of canvas, though. The artist, in fact, painted 40 separate pieces of canvas over 24 years, and then he sewed them together. If you would like to admire this amazing artwork, send me a direct message through my Instagram page, Secret Venice Tour, or visit www.secretvenicetour.com and book a virtual experience with me. Also, if you enjoyed the video, remember to hit the bell notification icon on my YouTube channel not to miss the next ones. Ciao!